and in this video we are going to solve a few sums on probability. In the previous video we have seen the concepts of probability. Here let's solve a few sums. Let's look at the first problem. What does it say? What is the probability of getting a sum of 9 by rolling 2 dice? See, you're going to roll 2 dice. What is the probability that the sum of those numbers turn out to be 9? Okay. Now let's talk about the denominator first. I roll the first dice. How many options do I have? I have 6 options. So my denominator becomes 6. Into, I roll the second dice. Again I have 6 options. So my denominator again becomes 6. Okay? The denominator, so basically, or I can write this as 6C1 into 6C1. You can write it this way also. Now you want the sum to be 9. When will your addition be 9? See, understand. I can have 3 on one number. I can have 6 on the other number. I can have 4 on dice 1, dice 2. I can have 4, I can have 5. I can have 5 here, I can have 4 here, and I can have 6 here and 3 here. There is no other possibility. 2, 7 nahi chalega. Dice mein 7 nahi aata. So there are only 4 possibilities. Correct? There are only 4 possibilities. So here my numerator will be 4C1. So basically they will get multiplied directly. So this is 4C1 upon 6 into 6. Okay? So here also it's 4C1 upon 6C1, 6C1. So basically your answer will be 4 upon 36. 4 upon 36 means 1 upon 9. So there are only 4 cases where your addition will come out to be 9. Now let's look at the next problem. What does it say? Roll numbers 1 to 20 are mixed up and then a roll number is picked from a chit. So you have 1 to 20 roll numbers and one roll number is picked from a chit. What is the probability that the number is a multiple of 3 or 5? So you want the number to be divisible by 3 or 5. Now 1 to 20 first we'll write down all the numbers divisible by 3 and 5. 3 or 5. So 3 ka multiples will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Correct? 5 ka multiples 5, 10, 15, 20. But be careful. Don't repeat the numbers. So for example 15 comes here also, 15 comes here also. So you're going to eliminate 115. Okay? No other number is getting repeated. Now let's see. What will be the probability? I have 20 numbers. I have to pick 1. So my denominator is 20. How many options do I have? The desired event is it should be a multiple of 3 or 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 possibilities. So 9 by 20 becomes my answer. One mistake which students do is they are saying 3 se divisible hona chahiye or 5 se divisible hona chahiye. A number which is divisible by both 3 and 5, for example 15, they don't consider that. That's wrong. You are supposed to consider this number also. 3 or 5 mein 3 and 5 bhi chalega. But keep in mind, don't count it 2 times. Count it only once. 1 plus 2, I can have 2 plus 1 also. 4 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number. When will my addition be 5? I can have 1 plus 4. I can have 4 plus 1. I can have 2 plus 3. And I can have 3 plus 2. All these additions are going to give me 5. Correct? 6 is not a prime number. Let's move on to 7. Okay? I'm rolling 2 dice. So my addition can be 7. 1 plus 6 will give me 7. 6 plus 1 will be 7. What else? 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2. Then you can have 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3. Correct? So this will give me 7. 8 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. Now when can your addition be 11? 11 कब आएगा? देखो 11 के लिए I can have 5 plus 6 or I can have 6 plus 5. That's it. No other addition is going to give you 11. 12 is not a prime number. 13 is possible, but the maximum addition I can get is 12. because 6 plus 6 will give me a 12. So I cannot exceed 12. Okay? So I'm going to stop here. इसके आगे मैं नहीं जा सकती. Now let's talk about the probability. Total events कितना होगा? 6 into 6. Because the first event, first I roll a die, I have 6 options. Second I roll a die, I again have 6 options. So that is 6 into 6. How many possibilities are there? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 possibilities. So my answer is 15 upon 36. Or if you simplify it, your answer becomes 5 by 12. So this is how you're going to approach this problem. Now let's look at the next problem. What does it say? A bag contains 10 yellow and 12 blue balls. 2 balls are selected one after another. So you're not picking the 2 balls together. You're selecting the 2 balls one after another. Okay? What is the probability that the first is yellow and second is blue? Okay? The first ball should be yellow and the second should be blue. The condition is the first ball is replaced. First question. First ball is not replaced. Second question. Two different concepts. So let's start with the first problem. Okay? Let's talk about the probability. Dekho, total how many balls do we have? We have 10 plus 12, which is 22 balls. Okay? 22 balls. You want the first ball to be yellow. How many yellows do we have? We have 10 yellow balls. So my numerator will be 10 into. Now the question is, first ball is replaced. So means what? I picked up a ball. It was yellow. I put it back. Okay? I put it back in the bag. So I have 22 balls only. Now they are saying the second should be blue. How many blue balls do we have? 12 balls. So this will become 12. And this is how we simplify. So this will be 2 5s are, 2 11s are. Again, 2 6s are, 2 11s are. So this will be 5 6 is 30. 11 into 11 becomes 121. Okay? This is for replacement. Now the second question says it is not replaced. The first ball is not replaced. Now understand, first we had 22 balls. We wanted the first ball to be a yellow ball. There were 10 yellow balls. Correct? There were 10 yellow balls. Now, understand what happened. I picked up a ball. It was yellow. I threw it out. So how many balls are remaining in the bag now? There are 21 balls remaining. Okay? I picked up a ball. It was yellow and I threw it out. How many blue balls are there? There are 12 blue balls still left. Okay? You want the second ball to be a blue ball. Okay? So this will be 12 by 21. Please understand, only this part will change. Because first was yellow, 22 balls the. First yellow tha, you threw it out. Now there are 21 balls, you want the second to be a blue ball. So if we simplify, 2 5s are, 2 11s are. And this will be 3 4s are, 3 7s are. So this will be 5 into 4, which is 20, upon 11 into 7, which is 77. So 20 by 77 becomes your answer. So this is how you're going to approach this problem. Now, see what is given. They've given us 3 bags ABC. So you have 3 bags ABC. A has 2 green balls, 4 red, 1 white, 3 black. Similarly, B has 4 green, 3 red, 3 white, 5 black. And C has 3 green, 1 red, 4 white and 2 black balls. So this is your data which is given in a tabular format. Now what does the question say? Now let's observe the question. If 3 balls are drawn from A, okay, if 3 balls are drawn from A, what is the probability of at least 1 black ball? 3 balls are drawn from A, what is the probability of at least 1 black? Now we'll find out A has a total of how many balls? 4 plus 2 is 6, 7 and 3 is 10. So A has 10 balls. They are saying what is the probability of at least 1 black ball? Now the problem is you can have 1 black, you can have 2 blacks, you can have 3 blacks also. So what we'll do is we'll find the probability of no black ball. Okay, probability of no black. Now, total how many balls are there? 10 balls are there. You have to pick how many? You have to pick 3 balls. So this will become 10C3. I am asking you what is the probability of no black? Means I cannot pick these 3 balls. Baki I can pick anything. So 3 chala gaya, so I have 7 options. So my numerator becomes 7C3. So if I simplify this will be 7 into 6 into 5 upon iska 1, 2, 3 or iska 1, 2, 3 cancel ho jayega. So you will have 10 into 9 into 8. So this will be 3 2s are 3 3s are. Again 5 1s are 5 2s are, your 2 gets cancelled. So you will have 7 upon 3 into 8 is 24. But understand this is not your answer. This is the probability of no black. They are asking you what is the probability of at least one black ball. So if I ask you what is the probability of at least one black, it will be your total probability minus probability of no black. Okay? What is total probability? Always remember, the total probability in any case is 1 because it cannot exceed 1. So the total probability becomes 1 minus this no black wala probability is 7 upon 24. So 24 minus 7, your answer becomes 17 by 24. So this is your solution. Let's look at one more question with respect to this table. What does it say? If 2 balls are drawn from C, so from C, if you're drawing 2 balls, what is the probability that both are green? What is the probability that both are green? Simple question. First we find out C has a total of how many balls? C has 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 balls. We are drawing how many balls? We are drawing 2 balls. So your probability denominator will be 10C2. Correct? Because we are drawing 2 balls. What is the probability that both are green? How many green balls are there in C? C ka green kitna hai? There are 3 balls. You have to draw how many? 2 balls. So it will be 3C2. Correct? 3C2 is 3. 10C2 will be 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1. So 90 upon 2 will become 45. 3 upon 45 is 1 by 15. So this becomes your answer. Now let's look at the next question. What does it say? If a card is drawn from a pack of cards, what is the probability of drawing a red card, a face card, a king, heart or queen? Before starting this problem, I hope you are clear with the concept of cards. If you are not, I will explain you it in brief. Now see, there are 52 cards in a pack of cards. So if you divide this, there are 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 clubs and 13 spades. Hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades. These 2 are red cards. These 2 are black cards. Okay? Now if I split these 13 cards, you have 1 king, you have 1 queen, you have 1 jack, not joker, 1 jack, you have 1 ace, and then you have 9 numbered cards. If you ask what numbers, the numbers start from 2 to 10. Okay? 1 king, queen, jack, ace and 9 numbered cards. Okay? So total you have 4 kings. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks, 4 aces and 9 into 4, 36 numbered cards. And understand, these 3 are called as face cards. Why face? Because on the cards their face is visible. Simple logic. Hence king, queen, jack are face cards. And these 4, king, queen, jack and ace are called as honor cards. Okay? They are called as honor cards. So you have to be clear with this concept before you start approaching any problem. So I hope this concept is clear. Now let's start with the problems. Let's try to solve them. See the first question. What does it say? What is the probability of drawing a red card? The total how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. We want a red card. We just saw how many red cards are there? There are 13 hearts and 13 diamonds which are red. So that means there are 26 red cards. So your answer will be 26 upon 52, which is 1 by 2. That's your answer. Now let's talk about face card. Now probability is total will be 52 only. How many face cards are there? We saw one king, one queen, one jack in one category. So these three are face cards. So 3, 3, 3, 3 in each section. So that will be 12 cards. Correct? Hearts में 3 है, diamond में 3 है, spades में 3 है, clubs में 3 है. So 12. So 12 upon 52 will be 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Okay? This is 3 4s are 12. This will be what? Or rather, I can reduce this as 4 3s are upon 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now let's look at the next one. You want it to be a king only. So my denominator will be 52 only, or 52C1, which is 52. How many kings are there? There are 4 kings total. So this will be 4. So this is 4 upon 52, which is nothing but 1 upon 30. So that becomes your answer. So if you talk about your final condition, the probability it to be a heart or a queen. Very, very important. Huh? Dekho, my denominator is 52. How many hearts are there? There are 13 hearts. Okay? There are 13 hearts. How many queens are there? There are 4 queens, one of each section. So 13 or 4 because heart or queen. But understand, इसमें एक problem हुआ. There are 13 hearts. देखो. So 13 hearts when I said, उसमें there was 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack and so on. So this queen of hearts, I have counted here also, I have counted here also. क्योंकि 4 categories है, 1 queen in each. So this queen of hearts has been counted here, has been counted here. So you're counting it twice. So you have to subtract it once. So this will be 17 minus 1, which is 16 upon 52. 16 upon 52, 4 4s are 16, 4 13s are 52. So this becomes your answer. A lot of students make a mistake here. They only write it as 17 upon 52. And that will also be there in your options, but it is a wrong answer because you have to subtract this one card. So I hope this is clear. So in this video, we have seen the problems on probability. So I hope your concepts are thoroughly clear. If you want me to make videos on certain specific topics, or if you have certain word problems as your queries, you can mention them in the comment section below so I can solve your queries accordingly. And you can also mention the topics which you want me to make videos on. If you like this video, if you found it to be helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you so much.